State, are you going to be seeking the death penalty? Has that been decided?
That's been decided.
All right, we're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2024 CR 2569. I have parties announced for the record.
Suzanne Kramer for Mr. Martinez.
And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So with regards to this case, it's off the record stated the court's understanding you're not seeking the death penalty? Okay. Is there any outstanding, we can go off the record, any outstanding discovery?
Not that I'm aware of, Judge. I believe we have everything, unless they get something new in, but.
Can I have like 5 seconds?
Yes.
I know that Melissa told me this morning she's still working on the witness list, but she's getting that.
Oh, she wants to speak to you for a second.
So there was an Instagram dump on the defendant's account and some associated people with him, witnesses. So I believe that story is returned over to Mr. Kramer. However, I mean, it can't be, it's gonna have to be provided via drive or tweet. But I believe that's the only thing that's outstanding.
All right, so if y'all will make sure.
I will keep an eye out. Well, I guess I'll bring you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so your jury trial in this case, the agreed jury trial date by both parties is January 20th.
Yes, Judge.
And if there are any pretrial motions, you'll need to get with the coordinator so those can be heard beforehand.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
May we be excused?
Yes, any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're going to be brought over dressed in whatever civilian clothing you have at the jail. If you wish to be attired in something different, you'll need to let your attorney know so they can do a clothing exchange.
We've already got that in the works. We're just waiting for the 24 hours before the 20th.
Oh, no. They've
No.
changed the rules at the
Of
jail.
course they have.
Yes. So it's my understanding, unless they've changed them back, you need to do it within 72 hours, not 24
Okay,
hours.
I can do that.
All right, thank
Thank
you.
you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, who is here on Christopher Velos?
Can you read that? I'm sorry.
All right, and where are we with the payment?
She has the money. Great.
Okay. All right, so has she given the money to anyone?
We just want to see how you wanted to handle it.
We weren't sure if you wanted it to be where you could see it or you want us to take care of it before.
Well, you all are officers of the court. If you say she has it and it's the 5,000?
That the amount that you gave, I believe, was 2,000.
Yes, because okay, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
Yeah, right.
He's already paid the-
2,200. She has
Yeah,
it.
he's already paid the 5,000, so
Right.
he needs to pay $2,215.37.
And she has it today.
Right, so if you all will take it wherever it needs to be taken, and then I'll come back and we'll do sentencing.
Here's a moment that always intrigues me: plea deadlines and last-minute delays. The defense is basically saying we need a little more time, and the court carefully balances fairness with accountability. It's like a tug of war between legal strategy and procedural rules. And notice how the judge handles it: calm, firm, yet flexible. Classic courtroom management in action.
Brianna, Luna? Yes. Hello. All right, today is plea deadline date.
Yes, Judge, what I'm asking for is a reset on that. We thought we would be prepared today. We have turned everything over to the state that we wanted to.
Mhm.
The delay in this is what we turned over is maybe a decade, maybe less, of mental health records. And it just took some time to get them and sift through them to make sure that we got the relevant stuff to the state.
Mhm.
And I did not get them, I got it to them late last week.
Mhm.
And so they haven't had a chance to look at it and consider what we're asking for. I'm asking for, I don't think it'll take long, but they do need some time. And it's not Ms. Galloway, it's actually Ms. Almond.
So I would just request it to reset.
All right, Norma? Yes. Set this for December 15th, and there will be no further extensions.
I appreciate that.
All
Judge.
right, thank you.
And
Thank
we'd
you.
be
Thank you
excused-
for addressing appropriately. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring it to you. Welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
It was the same case. I already signed it.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 006953 State versus Crystal Velos. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Jenny can do this for the state.
Roberto Ambrosino for the defense.
And are you Crystal Velos? You're gonna have to make sure you speak up because the court reporter wants to hear. All right, you entered into a plea on September 29th to counts 1, 2, and 3. The court found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court deferred finding of guilt as you applied for the deferred adjudication. According to your plea bargain agreement, there's a $500 fine to be probated. The counts are to run concurrently. There's to be $17,215.37 to be paid to Calton, CALTON Investments, Inc. The defendant paid $5,000 prior to entering into the plea. And today the defendant paid $2,215.37. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the $7,215.37, is that towards the $17,000?
Yes, Your Honor. I think with that's not including the original 5,000, Judge, but the 2,215 is, that gets us to an even 15,000.
Right. All right, is there anything you wish to say?
No, ma'am.
Again, you're whispering.
Sorry. No, ma'am.
All right, so why did you do this?
I was going through some stuff.
What were you going through?
Just financial stuff, and then I was having a lot of health issues at the time also.
Okay, let me ask you this. And I ask these questions because I want people to think about the actions they're taking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what if everybody who was going through some things and had some financial problems decided to steal?
It's not right, and I'm sorry.
No. And because of what you've done, now you're going to have more financial difficulties. And the reason why you're going to have more financial difficulties is because now you're going to be on probation, which means my clients, they would always say, I want to get off of paper. What that means is you're going to be on paper under a contract with the court. The crime that you committed is a crime of moral turpitude. Your attorney will explain to you.
Boom! This is where the real-life consequences hit. Probation isn't just paperwork, it's a long-term contract with the court. And the judge is drilling down on what crime of moral turpitude really means. Your career options, licensing, and credibility are all on the line. If you think probation is easy, think again. Every move matters.
The impact that has on any type of career that you would be seeking. So anything that requires a license, this is going to negatively impact that. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a leasing agent.
And are you handling money for them? And when you say you're a leasing agent, what do you do?
I make sure I gotta lease out the units, apartments.
Okay. And do you have any children?
Yes, I have one.
Age?
Oh, he's not little, he's 20.
Oh, he's 20. Do you have any grandchildren?
No.
That's a good thing. It's always nice when you have a 20-year-old and you don't have grandchildren yet, I guess. All right, probation. Counts 1, 2, and 3 is to run concurrently. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. You can either do regular random UAs or the patch. The patch costs more. I think the patch is about $300. What happens with the patch is probation will put it on and you don't take it off. Probation will take it off. You can shower with it, but if you tamper with it, that's going to be a violation. The thing about the patch is that it frees up more time because you don't have to go to the office to do a drug test.
Okay, so I just tell them which.
Yes. And they'll let you know, who knows, the price may have gone down. They may have a program that can help pay for it.
Okay.
There's gonna be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be restitution of $15,000 to Carlton, Carlton Investments, Inc. Now, with regards to that 15,000 that is owed, how much are you able to pay towards that monthly?
Monthly, I would say about 350.
All right. So she's to pay $300 per month. Towards the $15,000. There's to be no contact with the following. $1,400. Is this M or N?
Can I see it, Judge? North, 1400 North.
Okay. There's to be no contact with 1400 North Apartments. The Springwood Apartments. Trina, Trina, Meyer, Meyer. Delia, Delia, Broadnax, Broandnax. Marilyn with one N, Meyer. And Brent Meyer. 5 years deferred adjudication. $500 fine, and that will be probated. And there's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require a money management course. Once you complete that, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Oh,
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and
Yes, ma'am.
sign it?
yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing in this court. In order to be successful on probation, communication is key. Do not disappear. Do not stop reporting for probation. If there's an issue, you need to let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back and address it with me.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Notice the judge's advice here. Communication is everything. It might sound simple, keep probation informed, but this is where many cases spiral. Disappear for a week? Miss a check-in? Suddenly your probation isn't just a document, it's a violation waiting to happen. Courtroom wisdom in one sentence: stay in the loop.
All right, probation will go over conditions with you. Make sure that you pay that $300 per month, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
I do have one thing.
Yes.
Actually, two things. The first one, my fault, not yours. It's not Carlton, it's Calton. I just want to make sure for probation purposes.
All right,
CAL. And then the second, CALTON.
all right. Probation, that will be Calton Investments. Yes.
And then the second thing, my complainant in this case, she did prepare a letter that she would like to read to the defendant. However, you would like that to take place.
Oh, do you want to give her the letter or you want to read it?
I think she would like to read it, Your Honor.
Oh, she's here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yes, you may proceed.
Be here, ma'am.
What ends up happening now is the complainant they usually tell you how this has impacted their life. So listen and internalize, all right? Thank you.
Here, ma'am. You're back against the counter. And
Sorry.
there's negative contact, Judge.
All right.
And Your Honor, I have called every number I have
All
also.
right, we'll go on the record. Court is calling 2025 CR 013362 and 2025 CR 13364, State versus Keith Mosley Thompson. This is Criminal Trial Division. Can I have parties announced for the record?
And Eric DeWolf, I was appointed to represent Keith Thompson.
All right, it is 10:23 a.m. This docket was called at 9 a.m. The defendant has not made an appearance. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I did negative contact.
All right, defense.
Your Honor, I've conferred with prosecution about ascertaining the remainder of the discovery. Every number that I have for the defendant has failed to go through. My legal assistant has notified me that we have two different numbers and both with negative results.
All right, and is he on a commercial bond?
I believe so.
Was a contact made with the bondsman or no?
No.
Okay, all right, state.
We'd be asking for bench warrants in both causes.
All right, the court will issue a bond forfeiture in each cause number. Remain your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
The excuse at this time.
Yes. Dylan Smith,
Judge,
not here?
he's in custody in Hood County. He had been bench warranted down here a couple of weeks ago. And then it was set for today for a contested NTR, but apparently Hood County snatched him back.
All right, Norma, call Hood County and see if they have a Zoom.
The allegations that primarily are made against Mr. Smith are related to the Hood County charges. I would suggest we leave him there and see if we can get some resolution to those charges that he tells me he's fighting and thinks that are going to be disposed of.
Well, is it set today for a contested hearing?
It is, Judge, and there's also some technicals that we would.
All right, so Norma, call Hood County and let them know that we need him. I don't know why they took him back, but let them know that we need him and see if he can Zoom in. So just give us a moment. We're going to check on that. And is your client back, Herrera?
Yes.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, we've reviewed the discovery. I'm here for Mr. Stan Heinrich on this case. My understanding is he's received it. He has started going over it with the client. They still have some meetings to go over it. We did receive an offer today in court, which I will be letting Mr. Stan Heinrich know about. And my understanding is it'll be open to the next setting.
All right, this is coming back on, are you with Michael Herrera? All right, this is coming back on December 11th. And that's your plea deadline date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Just once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Gabriel Martinez.
He's present, Judge.
All right, so this case was dismissed for pretrial diversion. Then I guess something happened and it was re-indicted.
Has it been re-indicted or it was re-indicted? Okay.
Yes.
Your Honor, Mr. Flannery and I have discussed the situation and he's provided me some medical documentation related to Mr. Martinez. So with that in mind, we're actually approving him to get back into the program and finish it out. And that's what Mr. Flannery and I discussed.
That's correct, Judge.
All right, so this is what I'm telling everybody with this PTD contract. We're not going to do this a third time where it's dismissed, then it comes back. What will end up happening? This is PTD. That's your contract. If there's a violation of it and it's determined that you violated whatever agreement you have with the state, I'm not going to sign off or accept any PTD. The next setting that you have will be your trial date. So, for example, you're here today. If this were a day where you violated PTD again, this will be your trial date. So you all need to have your discovery and everything taken care of, because if there's a violation of the PTD, then you'll be up for jury trial. All right, Ms. Ferguson, a PTD date?
She put that, Judge. I'm sorry, Judge. She put that on the scheduling stuff for her.
Mhm.
And just for the record, he has a medical condition known as psoriasis, which interfered with his ability to urinate. And that's why on one of the occasions.
Well, I mean, that's something the state should know. And
So they know, that's why I told him.
no.
And that's why he's back on.
I mean, my thing is that's something that should have been done before we get to the point where a PTD is dismissed and then it comes back and it's re-indicted.
I agree, and we had or I had problems reaching out to the pretrial service office because we sent them the records to show them all this stuff. They terminated him without,
All right.
in spite of the medical conditions,
Mhm.
they terminated him. It's not the DA that's office fault. It's
All right, this is coming back on January 5th.
January 5th?
Yes, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thanks,
Thank
Judge.
you. Thank you for addressing appropriately for court.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. And that's PTD.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hello,
I am
how are you doing?
doing very well.
Okay, so what is the update on his evaluation, counsel?
He was found competent to stand trial, even though he does have some mental
Okay,
conditions.
and has that been heard by magistrate's court?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you all doing with this case?
I received an offer today. I'd like more time to confer with my client on this. I'm not sure he's grasping everything
Yes, ma'am.
that I'm telling him. And I think I'm going to need an investigator in this case. I'll be filing a motion for an investigator.
All right, this being set for December 11th for a plea deadline date.
I was trying to confess that me and my homeboy.
No. Don't say it, okay? I'll talk to you again.
All right.